There's a moving sock. Guess what's in the sock? The sock is totally moving. Oh, something's coming out of the sock. Oh, it's gone. Oh, hey sock. Where do you think you're going? You're gonna jump? You're gonna jump? You're going to jump or not? Hey sock. Oh. Hey. You gonna go back in the sock? Go in. You can. Yeah. Yes. You cannot find the entrance. There you go. Having a hard time getting in this store.
He doesn't know he can't get it from there. He's getting desperate. He's really scared now. You should show him how to get back in the sock.
In the sock? Oh.
Did you see him? Did you get to tape his
I don't know. I was taping him, but I don't know what happened. Now he goes to the toilet corner.
He's scared.
Okay, I'll get you in the sock. Give me that sock. Hey, sock. Here's your sock. Hey, sock. Here's your sock. Go in. Not in, not up. In. Yeah. Where's the entrance? Come on, sock. Okay, Mama, open it big for you. Come on, sock. Hey, sock. Hello. Where is she? Hello, sock.
He's facing here.
Yeah, so he's not facing me.
Here.
Hey, sock. Come here. Come here. Get in the sock. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes, I got it in the sock. I got it in the sock, and we're back here. A moving sock as we started. This is so fun. Okay, is that enough? You can put him back. You made a lot of poop around.